show you what I eat in a day. Every now and then I have people say, well, what do you eat in a day? So I'm going to show you, and what I do is I'll prepare 2 or 3, sometimes 4 days worth of food so that I'm not making food every single day. For breakfast, I decided that I would eat pancakes for the next few days. I have my fruit ready. I will be cutting my raspberries in half and my blueberries in half as well. They cook better in the pancake that way. And I am using a vegan pancake mix. I'm showing you the ingredient list so you can see that it is vegan. It is not labeled that way. I made the pancake batter according to the instructions on the package, and as you can see, I have them on the griddle. Now I've added the fruit, and I sprinkled a little bit of cinnamon and sugar on the pancakes with apple. After the pancakes are finished baking on the griddle, I cool them on a wire rack because I will be storing them to use for the rest of the week. For the pancakes, I layered them with wax paper in between, and I put them in an airtight container and stored them in the refrigerator till I'm ready to eat them. And this is how I serve them. I'll put a few on a plate, I cover them and heat them up, and then I sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar on them. I have some apple butter on some, and I serve fruit on the side with a glass or cup of tea. For lunch, I have decided that for the next couple of days I'm going to have Orzo soup. So I made a pot of the Orzo soup, and then so I have lunches ready. I have placed Orzo soup in some canning jars, and then I've made my salad also. In my salad, when I'm packing it for a couple days, I put the onion and tomato at the bottom. In this case, I have some black bean and some olive. Then I have my salad, which I have soaked in lemon water. That keeps it from browning. And then on the top, what you'll see is a little container of vinegar. I'm using vinegar as my dressing. There's no oil. What I have here to show you is the salad. Now I made this 4 days ago, and what I do is I cut up my lettuce and I soak it in water and lemon juice, and I cut it with a knife. I know you can use a plastic knife, but I like a metal knife better, and by soaking it in lemon juice it doesn't get brown. So this is 4 days in, and as I show you in the video, I put my vinegar in here, and then I'm going to pour it on top. I do rewash the little container, it's only vinegar, and then I just shake up my salad really well and it dresses it. Then it's ready to eat. For dinner, I made brown flour potatoes, steamed green beans, and sauteed mushrooms. And I will be eating that for a few days, and then I'll make some meals for the next few days. The recipe will be linked below. I also like to plan out my snacks, so today I've planned curry walnuts, some pink grapefruit, and lime bars. That's the curried walnuts. It's only about a tablespoon or 2. There's the grapefruit and the lime bars. We will put the recipes at the bottom of the video. I hope you'll like and please subscribe. Have a great day.